morning everyone, welcome back to our online class today. So before we start our lesson, teacher want you to prepare your material like your textbook, your pen and your notebook, right? And before we start our lesson for today, teacher want you to read the day with teacher first. So today is Friday, February 26, 2021. And today for the first session, we are going to study our book is Listening Starter 1. So everyone, please open your book on page 47 that today we will continue our lesson that in unit 7 that we talk about let's go shopping, right? Okay, so I hope that you have our book right now on your table and please look at our lesson for today. Okay, so before we start our lesson, teacher have new vocabulary for you that we have 6 words for today. That the first one we have glasses. Number 2, we have shoe. Number 3, we have bookstore. Number 4, we have clothing store. Number 5, we have money. And number 6, we have shopping. So now let's read again with teacher all together. Glasses, shoes, bookstore, sink store, money, shopping. Okay, so and today teacher have exercise for you also related with our page that we have exercise A and exercise B. So exercise A, you need to listen and circle the word or phrase you hear on track 20. And B, you need to listen, write the letter that matches the picture. So before we start our exercise, teacher want you to know it clearly about our vocabulary for today that we have 6 words. So now let's move to our next one. Okay, so here is our vocabulary word with the definition, right? Okay, so the first one, glasses is a noun. Two small pieces of specially made glass or transparent plastic warm in front of the eyes too. So as you know already, glasses, right? That you can use it to wear on your eyes if your eye have a problem that you cannot see the picture or the letter clear, so you need to buy the glasses to wear, right? And the second one, shoes. Shoe is a noun, one of a pair of covering for your feet, usually made of strong material. As you know already, shoe is very important for us because we need to wear the shoe to walk, right? Or to protect our feet, right? That's why we need to use the strong material. Okay, so bookstore is a noun, a shop where books are sold. As you know already, bookstore is the place that have so many kind of book that have comedy book, funny book, story book, or we call it drama book, right? That which one is your favorite? You can choose one of the book over there and you can buy it, right? That's why if you want to buy the book, you need to go to the bookstore. So now let's move to the next one is clothing store. Clothing store is a noun, a shop selling clothes, right? So mostly when we have free time or when you want to buy clothes, you need to go to the clothing store because they have so many choices of clothes that you need to buy that like t-shirt, jeans, pajamas, sweater, right? Okay, so if you want to buy all of that one, you can go to clothing store. So now let's move to the next one is talk about money. Money is a noun, a current medium of exchange in form of coins and banknotes. So as you know already, every day we use money to buy something, right? So money is very important for us and for another country that you can use that money or that paper or we call it that coin in another country they use coin to buy the thing that you want, and you can use that one to buy your daily products that you can use at home, right? Okay, shopping. So shopping is a noun, the action or activity of buying goods from shop. So when you want to buy like a lot of things to use at home, or you want to buy like goods, so you need to go to shopping because shopping have a lot of things to buy, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next one that teacher want you to write the word of the picture. So in here teacher have 6 pictures. So now let's look at the first one. The boy is looking at the book. So where is that place? Good. So that place is bookstore, right? Okay, and the second one that you can use it to wear on your eyes. So that one is glasses, right? Okay, so now let's move to the next picture. Is that one is very strong material that you can wear it on your feet and you can go for walk or walk with your friend, right? So that one is shoe, right? Okay, and the next one is the place that you can buy a lot of things. So that one is shopping, right? And the last one is so the next one is very important that you can use that one to buy clothes, buy thing, buy gold, right? So that one is money. And the last picture is very important for us also that we need it for every day. So that one is clothing store, right? Okay, so now let's move to our page. So teacher will provide you our listening track, letter A, letter B, letter C. So letter A, you need to listen and circle the word that press you hear. And B, you need to listen, write the letter that matches the picture. And C, you need to listen and fill in the blank. So teacher will provide you all the listening right now, and you need to listen carefully from letter A until letter C. So now let's start.
A. Listen and circle the word or phrase you hear. 1,
I want new glasses.
2. My favorite bookstore is next to the shoe store. 3,
I have no money to go shopping at the mall.
B. Listen. Write the letter that matches the picture. A.
Kate is in the bookstore.
B. The clothing store is next to the bakery. C.
Bob is eating lunch in the food court.
D. These shoes are $40. C. Listen and fill in the blanks. Is the bookstore in the mall?
No, it's between the shoe store and the Grand Hotel.
Let's go there to look at books about animals.
Okay, everyone. So I know that you finished our listening track already from exercise A until exercise E. So now let's check your answer with teacher all together. That is correct or not? Okay. So the first one, letter A. I want new glasses, right? So number 2, my favorite bookstore is next to the shoe store. Number 3, I have no money to go shopping at mall, right? Okay, so now let's move to exercise B. Number 1 is letter A. Number 2 is letter C. Number 3 is letter B. And number 4 is letter D. Very good, everyone. So now let's move to exercise C. That I know that you know the answer already, right? Okay. So it is the bookcase in the mall. No, it isn't. No, it's between the shoe store and Grand Hotel. Let's go there to look at books about animal, right? So here is our answer for today. And let's check your answer that is correct or not, or the same teacher or not. So now it's time for our first session for today, and I hope that you understand our vocabulary for our page 47, right? So now it's time for our first session, and see you again for second session. Goodbye everyone, and